Okay, we have a longer thing to work on this week. And the reason why, I want you to get more comfortable, more used to this kind of strumming. Now, I am absolutely an advocate of using the elbow or the arm to pick fast. However, it's because we're using really big muscles when we pick like this. I do feel it is best to wait until it's going really, really quick, like when it absolutely is necessary. When you do that, when you start using the arm early, you got a risk of, I guess, I was going to say burnout too soon. But basically, you might start tensing your arm up a little early. You might wear yourself out too soon. There we go, wear yourself out too soon. So, I want to see if you can loosen up a bit this week. And there's a specific way I want you to try strumming this stuff. Actually, I probably should take this off so you can see what my arm does better. Might be covered up with the sleeve. So, what we're going to do is this idea of pretending like your hand is wet and you're shaking it out. You're trying to dry it off by shaking off the water, okay? But obviously with the pick, so keeping your hand relaxed and having this kind of motion here. So when I'm strumming, I'm going to exaggerate the motion right now. The wrist is bent a little bit, and then we're doing this kind of thing here. So basically it's like rotating the arm or turning the hand from, up to down, or the whole supinate to pronate kind of thing. So basically like this. That's the idea we want to start with. Now, this works very well in slower to medium speeds to keep things fairly relaxed and have a nice flow to it. Eventually, yes, you do need to have your arm kick in more and more and more, and then with like the super crazy fast stuff, yes, it has to come from all from the elbow. But let's try and push a bit more loose, relaxed strumming this week. When I say push, I just mean develop. We're not gonna. Anyway, I swear sometimes I just stumble all over my words and sound ridiculous. 60 beats per minute. Alright, so I'm going to play from this angle so you can see what my arm is doing a little bit more easily. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 4. So yeah, when you add in your repetitions, it's going to be a lot of stuff. But we're doing that with a purpose. So remember to just slow your metronome down as much as you need to in order to get the added repetitions near the end of your practice session. And then watch what happens as I go faster in this demo. See how my arm changes. See how things kind of tighten up a bit, or they'll start to transition to arm at a certain point. So I will play this at a speed where I have to use the arm, just so you can see a difference when I go from slow to medium to fast. Here it is at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I'm not playing the chords enough times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. There we go. All right, 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice at that speed my pinky is anchored, and there's a bit more arm kicking in there, but it's still mostly that motion there. But I do feel it changing for myself a little bit. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, my arm is definitely helping out a lot more there. 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there was definitely elbow making that motion. So mechanics will change as you go faster and faster. But I'd like you to try, for as long as possible, use this motion until you absolutely need to start using your arm. Like when it feels like this motion just cannot keep up anymore, then start using your arm a bit more, and then eventually nothing but the arm. But hopefully doing this will help you loosen up a bit, feel a bit more relaxed when you're playing these chords. And there we go. All right, any questions, let me know. I'll see you in your next video.